Why does your scanner show the P045B engine code? What does it mean? P045B is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, B control circuit range, or performance. The P045B engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine computer, PCM or ECM, has commanded the EGR valve B to open or close, or flowing as it should. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: carbon buildup and clogging, damaged or corroded wiring, failed EGR actuator, faulty connectors, vacuum or pressure leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Chevrolet, Ford, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.